We're talking about analyzing polymers and impurities faster than ever before. We're in the Thermo Scientific Technology exhibit here at Munich in Analytica 2012, talking about polymers and impurities with Karl-Christian Schwan. You're an expert in this field, and we've got the Thermo Scientific DXR Raman unit, right? With some great applications, software, Omnic software that goes with it. Talk about our capabilities in this area and why it's so good for polymers and impurities.
With this instrument, you can identify very small impurities, for example, especially in polymers. Or you can identify small fibers in the analytical area, especially in some forensic labs, for example. With this instrument, you can identify very, very small particles down to a size of about 1 micron. And that's very important because you can measure very small particles, and especially here you can identify some impurities like this one in a polymer matrix. There are small particles, there are small impurities here, and though you can identify these small impurities very fast with this Raman instrument. We have here a glass objectives. That means you can measure directly through the objectives. You have a very crystal clear picture, and you can identify small particles directly through these objectives. That's very easy with this instrument. It's point and shoot measurements. But you can also measure very large areas. You can do in such an area mapping, and you can identify, it is displayed here, you have here a cross-section system from a multi-layer system, and so you can identify each system and can say, okay, layer 1 is such a polymer, layer 2 is such a polymer, and so on and so on. And it's very easy with such a Raman instrument.
Learn more at thermoscientific.com/Raman.